In this video, you will learn how to edit the header and the sidebar of the blog. Click on the Edit Header and Sidebar button. To edit the header, double-click on the text and use the menu above it to change the text styling. Click on the block button to change the background block color. To edit the sidebar, click on the sidebar and then click on Edit. Inside of the Edit window, click the drop-down menus to choose the collection of the blog posts to be displayed, as well as the categories of blog posts to be displayed. Next to Number of items to display, drag the circle to adjust how many blog posts you wish to show on the sidebar. Once you have made the changes to the header and sidebar, then click Save.